Hi everyone, welcome back to the Review Millennial channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to customize your profile visibility settings on Facebook. So firstly, open your Facebook app, then go to Menu, then the Settings symbol, then scroll to find Audience and Visibility. The first thing you can customize is your profile information. Here you can choose who can see your experiences, your education, places you've lived. Next, you can adjust how people can find and contact you. So firstly, who can send friend requests, everyone on Facebook or just friends of your friends. Then who can see your friend list. I have it set on friends. Or you can hide your friends list from some people. Next, who can look you up using the email that you've provided. I have it set on friends, but I can change it to only me, which means that no one can look me up with my email. And same thing with my phone number, I have it set to only me. And lastly, you can toggle yes or no whether you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile. You can disable this, which means that people will not be able to find your profile through other search engines outside of Facebook, such as Google. And yep, that is your settings and privacy on how people can contact you. Next, you can customize your post visibility. So obviously, who can see my future posts? You can customize that when you are posting the post. And you can even press limit who can see your past post. You can choose different audiences for certain posts, so not everyone can see your posts. Next is followers and public content. So followers and friends are a little bit different. Essentially, followers are subscribed to your posts, and you can change who can follow you as well as who can see the people, pages, or lists that you follow. So to keep that private, I'm just going to set it to only me. Then Facebook will notify you that your settings have been updated. And I'm just going to keep changing the visibility. For example, my public profile info, I'm just going to set it to friends because I don't really want the public or friends of friends that I don't know to see my information. So that is how you customize your visibility settings on your Facebook account. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any of your questions in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!